everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we look into the most talked about innovation in recent years, blockchain technology. You may have heard of blockchain and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential goes far beyond digital currencies. In this video, we'll break down what blockchain is, how it works, and explore some of its most exciting applications. So let's get started. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a revolutionary digital technology that has been making waves across various industries. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. A ledger is a record that records all accounts, transactions, and data. A traditional ledger is used by a bank. This ledger records all transactions that happen within the bank. However, this ledger is centralized, meaning it's controlled by the bank. Blockchain flips this concept on its head. Instead of a single central authority managing the ledger, blockchain distributes it across a network of computers. This ensures that the data is secure, transparent, and virtually tamper-proof. So, how does blockchain actually work? To understand how blockchain works, let's break it down into 5 key components. Think of blockchain as a digital version of a chain of blocks. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions or data. When a block is filled with transactions, it gets sealed and linked to the previous block. This linkage forms the chain in the blockchain. Each block is unique with its own set of data. In a traditional system, data is stored in one central location. Blockchain, however, is decentralized. The ledger is distributed across a network of computers known as nodes. Every node has a copy of the entire blockchain. This distribution ensures that no single entity has complete control over the entire blockchain, making it highly secure and transparent. Before a new block can be added to the blockchain, the network must agree on its validity. This agreement is achieved through a consensus mechanism. A consensus mechanism is a system that validates a transaction and marks it as authentic. The most common mechanism is proof of work, also known as POW, where computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. Another mechanism is proof of stake, also known as POS, which works by selecting where participants or validators stake in proportion to their quantity of holdings in the associated cryptocurrency. These consensus mechanisms are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. One of the most powerful features of blockchain is its immutability. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it is nearly impossible to alter or delete the data it contains. This is ensured through cryptographic hashing, where each block has a unique hash value generated from the data it holds and the hash of the previous block. Blockchain is often praised for its transparency. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger visible to anyone with access to the blockchain. However, while transactions are transparent, the identities of the participants can remain anonymous or pseudonymous depending on the blockchain's rules. The security of the blockchain is maintained through cryptographic techniques that protect the data from being altered or hacked. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries. Here are some of the most exciting applications of blockchain technology. Blockchain is the technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It securely records all transactions, ensuring transparency and preventing double spending. On platforms like Ethereum, blockchain can be used to create smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. When specific conditions are met, the contract automatically executes without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain can be used to track the origin and movement of goods through a supply chain. This ensures transparency, reduces fraud, and can improve efficiency in industries like logistics, manufacturing, and retail. Imagine a voting system where each vote is recorded on a blockchain, making it secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Blockchain could potentially revolutionize how we conduct elections and ensure the integrity of the voting systems. Blockchain can securely store and share patient records, ensuring data integrity and privacy. It also allows for authorized access by healthcare providers, improving the efficiency and security of patient care. So, why is blockchain considered such a game changer? Let's explore some of the key benefits. By eliminating the need for a central authority, blockchain reduces the risk of corruption, fraud, or single points of failure. Blockchain uses strong cryptographic techniques to secure data, making it resistant to tampering as well as hacking. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger, which can be audited by anyone. This transparency can help build trust and accountability in various industries. By streamlining processes that typically require intermediaries, blockchain can reduce costs, speed up transactions, and improve overall efficiency. So, let's conclude. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but its potential is vast. From transforming the way we handle digital currencies to revolutionizing industries like healthcare as well as supply chain management, blockchain is set to play a significant role in the future of technology. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.